Hello fellow travelers and welcome to Unveiled Destinations, your ultimate guide to the world's hidden gems. We're here to whisk you away on virtual journeys to places you've only dreamed of, and today we're setting our sights on the enchanting city of Malaga. Famed for its sun-kissed beaches and vibrant culture, Malaga has a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. We've handpicked the top 10 things to do or see in this Spanish paradise. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to explore the alluring city of Malaga. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the majestic Malaga Cathedral. This architectural marvel, graced by centuries, stands tall in the heart of Malaga. Constructed between the 16th and 18th centuries, it's a testament to the city's rich history and cultural evolution. Known colloquially as La Manquita, or the One-Armed Lady, the cathedral got its nickname because, interestingly, one of its towers was never completed. The cathedral is an exquisite blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles, a symphony of stone that enchants every visitor. Inside, you'll find a breathtakingly intricate altar and choir stalls carved from mahogany and cedar, the work of master craftsman Pedro de Mena. It's not just a place of worship, but an art gallery, a history book, a testament to human creativity and devotion. So when in Malaga, take a moment to step into this magnificent cathedral. A visit to the Malaga Cathedral promises a blend of history and architectural beauty. Making its grand appearance at spot number 9, we have the magnificent Alcazaba. This Moorish fortress, a spectacle in itself, sits majestically atop a hill, acting as a window into the intriguing history of Malaga. Constructed during the 11th century amidst the reign of the illustrious Hammuda dynasty, the Alcazaba is celebrated as one of the most impeccably preserved Moorish fortresses in all of Spain. The name Alcazaba traces its roots to the Arabic term al-Kasbah, translating to a citadel. As you saunter through this formidable fortress, you're transported back in time, embarking on an enticing historical journey. The exquisite architecture masterfully fuses Islamic artistry with Roman design, resulting in an enchanting visual treat that is nothing short of unique. But the allure of the Alcazaba extends beyond just historical narratives. Its lush gardens and mesmerizing vistas overlooking the vibrant city and the serene Mediterranean Sea serve as a veritable sensory banquet. When in Malaga, bypassing this historical wonder is simply inconceivable. After all, it isn't every day that you have the opportunity to explore a fortress that has withstood the test of time for over a millennium. The Alcazaba stands as a powerful tribute to Malaga's rich cultural tapestry and historical lineage. Number 8 on our list invites you to soak up the sun at the Malagueta Beach. This urban beach is nestled right in the heart of Malaga, a stone's throw away from the bustling city center. Its central location is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what makes Malagueta Beach special. This beach is a melting pot of cultures, attracting both locals and travelers alike. Its expansive golden sands provide the perfect canvas for sunbathing, sandcastle building, or even a friendly game of beach volleyball. The azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea are as inviting as they are refreshing, offering a delightful respite from the Spanish sun. Malagueta Beach is also known for its beachside chiringuitos, serving up delicious seafood and traditional Spanish cuisine. Imagine savoring a plate of paella, the sea breeze in your hair, the rhythmic ebb and flow of waves providing the perfect backdrop. With its golden sands and azure waters, Malagueta Beach is a paradise for beach lovers. At number 7, we delve into the world of art at Picasso's birthplace. This quaint and unassuming location in the heart of Malaga is where the legendary artist Pablo Picasso was born and spent his early years. Today, it stands as a tribute to his life and work, showcasing an array of his personal belongings and some of his lesser-known works. The house, preserved with careful attention to detail, offers a unique glimpse into the humble beginnings of a man who would go on to revolutionize the art world. Visitors have the opportunity to wander through the rooms where Picasso once played, dreamed, and began his artistic journey. The museum also hosts a variety of workshops and educational programs, promoting the understanding and appreciation of Picasso's art. It's a place of inspiration and contemplation, where every corner whispers stories of a young Picasso, his dreams, his struggles, and his triumphs. Picasso's birthplace is a must-visit for art lovers and history buffs alike. Halfway through our list at number 6, we invite you to savor authentic Spanish cuisine. This gastronomic adventure starts with the local food scene. From bustling markets brimming with fresh produce to quaint family-run tapas bars, Malaga offers a delightful culinary landscape. The city is a paradise for food lovers, with the Mediterranean diet's fresh and vibrant flavors shining through in every dish. Popular dishes to try include espetos de sardinas, grilled sardines skewered on bamboo sticks, and pescadito frito, lightly battered and fried small fish. You can't leave without trying gazpacho, a refreshing cold soup perfect for those hot summer days. And of course, paella, the famous Spanish rice dish, is a must-try. You'll find these dishes and more in the city's many restaurants, tapas bars, and local markets. Indulging in Spanish cuisine is an experience that tantalizes the taste buds. So allow your palate to partake in this culinary journey through Malaga's delicious food scene. Breaking into the top 5, we have the vibrant Mercado Central Atarazanas. A sensory delight, this market is the beating heart of Malaga. Bursting with color, sounds, and tantalizing aromas, it's a place where locals and tourists alike converge to explore and enjoy. The Mercado Central Atarazanas, with its stunning 19th century ironwork architecture, is more than just a market. It's a gastronomic treasure trove offering a myriad of fresh produce, ranging from the catch of the day to local specialties like Serrano ham and Manchego cheese. But it's not just about food. The market also offers a plethora of local products, including handmade crafts and souvenirs, making it a perfect spot to hunt for unique keepsakes. Beyond shopping, it's a place to immerse yourself in the local culture. Listen to the market banter, watch the skilled vendors at work, and feel the energy of everyday Malaga life. The Mercado Central Atarazanas is a bustling hub of culture and cuisine. At number 4, we have the commanding 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Castle. Perched atop a hill, this impressive fortress is a testament to Malaga's rich history. The castle dates back to the 14th century, built by the Moors to defend the Alcazaba during the Reconquista. Its name, 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, is derived from the Arabic words jabal, meaning hill, and faru, meaning lighthouse, a nod to the ancient lighthouse that once stood on its grounds. As you trek up the winding path to reach the castle, the anticipation builds. Upon arrival, you're rewarded with an unparalleled view of Malaga's cityscape, the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, and the lush Andalusian countryside. Walking along the castle's ancient ramparts, it's easy to imagine the fierce battles that once took place here. A visit to the 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Castle isn't just about history, though. It's about immersing yourself in a narrative that has shaped Malaga for centuries. The 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Castle offers a glimpse into Malaga's past and stunning city views. Our top 3 begins with a wander around Malaga's historic city center. This vibrant heart of Malaga is where the past meets the present, where ancient architecture rubs shoulders with modern shops and cafes. As you meander through the narrow, winding streets, you'll encounter centuries-old buildings, each telling a tale of times gone by. The city center is a living museum, where every corner, every stone whispers stories of the city's rich history. Amidst these architectural gems, you'll discover a plethora of charming shops, offering everything from traditional Spanish goods to contemporary fashion. And when you need a break, the city center boasts an array of cafes where you can sit back, sip on a cup of coffee, and watch the world go by. So immerse yourself in the city's history, indulge in some retail therapy, or simply enjoy a leisurely cup of coffee. The historic city center is a charming blend of the old and the new. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the Pompidou Center. Now, if you're an art lover, prepare to be thrilled. This center, a slice of Paris in the heart of Malaga, is an outpost of the famous French Museum and the first one outside of France. The Pompidou Center is an ode to the 20th and 21st century art, hosting a permanent collection of around 90 works. You'll find pieces from artists like Frida Kahlo, Francis Bacon, and Picasso himself, making it a compelling journey through modern and contemporary art. Each visit is a new experience, as the museum regularly rotates its exhibits. And while it's the art that takes center stage, the striking multicolored cube building is a masterpiece in its own right. Whether you're a seasoned art connoisseur or just intrigued by the world of colors and shapes, you'll find the Pompidou Center a captivating stop on your Malaga adventure. The Pompidou Center is a treasure trove for modern art enthusiasts. And finally, at number 1, we suggest you to immerse yourself in Malaga's vibrant nightlife. As the sun disappears, the city lights begin to twinkle, casting an enchanting glow over the streets. The city comes alive with a symphony of sounds, colors, and laughter echoing from lively bars and clubs. From trendy cocktail bars in the heart of the city to beach clubs offering spectacular views of the Mediterranean Sea, there's something for everyone. If you're a music lover, you won't be disappointed with the city's eclectic mix of live music venues. From jazz and flamenco to modern pop and electronic music, you'll find it all in Malaga. And don't forget the late-night eateries serving delicious tapas and local dishes. It's a perfect way to refuel and keep the party going. The city's nightlife is not just about partying, it's about experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the locals. Malaga's nightlife is a thrilling experience that brings the city to life after dark. And there you have it, our top 10 things to do or see in the vibrant city of Malaga. From the historical marvels like the Malaga Cathedral and Alcazaba, to the serene Malagueta beach, Picasso's birthplace, the bustling Mercado Central Atarazanas, the majestic 𝗣𝗹𝗲 Castle, the charming historic city center, the modern Pompidou Center, and the lively nightlife, Malaga surely has something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting travel content on Unveiled Destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.